Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of this gorgeous 2016 Audi RS3. This car comes with a 2.5 5-cylinder petrol turbo engine with the automatic S-tronic gearbox producing 362 brake horsepower. This car's covered just over 58,000 miles and comes with full service history. The original owner chose over £3,500 worth of factory options, which include the 19-inch wheels, roof rails, the Bang & Olufsen sound system, as well as cruise control, the electric folding door mirrors, the paintwork, which is called Glacier White, and the Fine Nappa Diamond Quilt seats, which we'll see in a minute. But as you can see, the paintwork's in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. So straight away we'll have a look at the seats, which are in great condition. They look really supportive, and you've got the nice quilt pattern going up the sides there as well. This car also has the satellite navigation, which pops out the dashboard with DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. The front seats are also heated, and you also have climate control and automatic headlights and wipers, just to mention a few features there. And I do love that suede steering wheel as well. The RS3 is the ultimate family performance car, so good access into the back there for the kids. And they also have their own air vents and 12-volt socket there in the centre as well. Looking in the boot, you see you've got a nice clean boot area there with the split folding rear seats, and the parcel shelf is still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have the subwoofer, as well as a untouched puncture repair kit, which is good to see. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, the 5-spoke 19-inch wheels I've already mentioned, as well as those gorgeous oval exhaust pipes. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty, which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance which is 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.